How do I add a placeholder on a CharField in Django? Take this very simple form for example. This gets rendered in the template. However, I want to add the placeholder attribute to this field with a value of search so that the HTML would look something like. Preferably I would like to pass the placeholder value into CharField in the form class through a dictionary or something like. What would be the best way to accomplish this?
Look at the widget's documentation. Basically, it would look like more writing, yes, but the separation allows for better abstraction of more complicated cases. You can also declare a widget's attribute containing a field name equals widget instance, mapping directly on the meta of your model form subclass.
For a model form, you can use the meta class thus.
The other methods are all good. However, if you prefer to not specify the field, for example for some dynamic method, you can use this. It also allows the placeholder to depend on the instance for model forms with instance specified.
Great question. There are 3 solutions I know about. Solution number 1. Replace the default widget. Solution number 2. Customize the default widget. If you're using the same widget that the field usually uses, then you can simply customize that one instead of instantiating an entirely new one. Solution number 3. Finally, if you're working with a model form, then, in addition to the previous 2 solutions, you have the option to specify a custom widget for a field by setting the widget's attribute of the inner meta class.
Yeah.